Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 7 for CBSE board. Chapter number 13 Surface Areas and Volumes. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from 13.3 question number 2. Metallic spheres of radius 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of resulting sphere. Okay. Solution. Radius of spheres is equal to 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm, and therefore sum of the volumes of three spheres is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into bracket r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into bracket 216 plus 512 plus 1000 and is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into bracket 1728 cm cube. Statement number 1. Now radius of resulting sphere be x centimeter. So volume of resulting sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi x cube. Statement number 2. Since resulting sphere is formed by melting three given sphere and therefore volume of resulting sphere is equal to sum of the volume of three spheres and therefore 4 upon 3 pi x cube is equal to 4 upon 3 pi into 1728. So therefore x cube is equal to 1728 is equal to 3 into 576 is equal to 3 into 24 into 24. So is equal to 3 into 3 into 8 into 3 into 8 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 64 and therefore x cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 and therefore x is equal to 3 into 4, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, and therefore radius of resulting sphere is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. Question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Solution. Diameter of well, that is cylindrical, is equal to 7 centimeter and hence radius is equal to 7 upon 2 meters. Depth, that is h, is equal to 20 meters and therefore volume of earth digging from well is equal to pi r square into h. So 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into 10, into 20. If you simplify this, you will get 11 into 7 into 10, that is 770 meter cube. Now let height of the platform be h meters. Volume of platform is equal to 22 into 14 into h is equal to 308 h meter cube. Since platform is made from earth digging from the well, so volume of platform is equal to volume of earth from well. Okay, and therefore 308 h is equal to 770 and therefore h is equal to 770 upon 308. If you simplify this, you will get 2.5 meters. Okay, and therefore height of the platform is equal to 2.5 meter. Question number 4. Now this question is important. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of the circular ring of width 4 meters to form an embankment. Find the height of embankment. Okay. So in this case, in question number 3, the earth is taken out and platform is made outside or separately, but here uh, the platform is what circular platform is made around the what well. Okay, so therefore this example is important. Solution. Try to understand. Diameter of well is equal to 3 meter. Radius of well is equal to 3 upon 2 meters. Depth is equal to 14 meters, and therefore volume of earth from well is equal to pi r square into h, 22 upon 7 into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into 14 is equal to 11 into 9 is equal to 99 meter cube. So this is a volume of what earth. Now outer radius, now this is a figure, inside there is well and this is embankment. So embankment outer radius is equal to 3 upon 2 plus 4. So this is 3 upon 2 and this is width is 4. 4 is equal to 11 upon 2 meters. Inner radius is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, so this is inner radius 3 upon 2. So volume of embankment is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle into h, where h is height of embankment. So therefore volume is equal to pi into 11 upon 2 into 11 upon 2 minus 11 into pi minus pi into 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2 into h. Simplify this, 121 pi upon 4 minus 9 pi upon 4 into h. If you simplify this, you will get 112 pi upon 4 into h and is equal to 28 into 22 upon 7 into h m cube. Statement number 2. Since embankment is made from the earth from well, so volume of embankment is equal to volume of earth from well, and therefore 28 into 22 upon 7 into h is equal to 99, and hence h is equal to 99 into 7 upon 28 into 22 is equal to 99 upon 88 is equal to 9 upon 8 is equal to 1.125 meters. So therefore the height of embankment is equal to 1.125 meters. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.